What if your home could instantly detect intruders and notify you right on your phone in real time? Now in this project, we are building a smart home security system using an ESP32, a PIR motion sensor, a buzzer and the Blynk IoT platform. It's smart, responsive and sends instant alert the moment motion is detected. To build this project, you will need one ESP32 development board, one PIR motion sensor, one buzzer, jumper words, breadboard, micro USB cable, a smartphone with the Blynk app installed. Now let's wire up the components to the ESP32. Take your breadboard and ESP32. Connect the 3.3 volt pin of ESP32 to the positive rail of the breadboard. Connect GND of ESP32 to the negative rail. Now connect the PIR sensor. Connect the VCC pin of the PIR to the positive rail. Connect the GND pin to the ground rail. Connect the out pin to GPIO 13 on the ESP32. Next, connect the buzzer. Positive leg to GPIO 25, negative leg to the ground rail of the breadboard. Double check your connection according to the circuit diagram before powering the circuit. Now let's set up the Blynk IoT platform. Step 1. Open your browser and go to blynk.cloud. Step 2. Register or login. If you are new, click sign up, enter your email and password and verify your email. If you already have an account, just log in. Step 3. Go to the developer zone. Click on developer mode from the left sidebar and then click templates. Step 4. Create a new template. Click add new template and enter the following: name, home security, hardware, select ESP32 and then click create. Step 5. Create an event for notifications. Go to the events tab, click on add new event. Create an event for notification. Event name motion underscore detected, description movement detected. Enable send push notification and notify every time. Then click create. Step 6. Add a device. Click add new device. Choose your home security template, name your device and click create. Copy your Blynk credential. Now you will get three things: hash define Blynk underscore template ID, your template ID, hash define Blynk underscore template underscore name, which is a door unlock, hash define Blynk underscore auth underscore token, which is your auth token. Copy this. We'll have to paste this into our Arduino code. Now download the code and library files given in the description below. Open the code and library files if you already downloaded the Arduino IDE. Otherwise, download the Arduino IDE first. These are provided by Blynk console. When you create a new template, replace with your actual template ID, name and auth token. Allows Blynk debug message to be shown in the serial monitor. Now these libraries help ESP32 connect to Wi-Fi and communicate with Blynk Cloud. Replace with your actual Wi-Fi SSID and password. PIR sensor is connected to GPIO 13. Buzzer is connected to GPIO 25. Here we declare variables. Is armed is false. The system would not alert even if motion is detected. Motion start, which is a timestamp when motion started. Motion delay, which is wait for 1 second of stable motion before triggering. Blynk app switch, virtual pin V1 arms or disarms the system. Now in the setup function, we initialize serial communication and connect to Blynk using Wi-Fi. Define pin modes and set a timer to check for motion every 200 milliseconds. And the loop function keeps Blynk connected and runs the timer continuously. This structure ensures your device responds to motion and app control in real time. This is the heart of a system. We read the PIR sensor state. If motion is detected and the system is armed, we check if the motion is stable for at least 1 second. If stable, we send an alert through Blynk and activate the buzzer for 3 seconds. If no motion or if disarmed, the buzzer stays off. And that's it. Now we will just upload the code to the ESP32. Plug your ESP32 into the computer using the USB cable. Select the correct board, ESP32 dev module. Then go to the tools. Select the port where ESP32 is connected. Make sure to replace the Blynk credential here and Wi-Fi name and its password here. Now click the upload button. If you see connecting and the dot appears, just hold down the boot button until it starts uploading. Once uploaded, open the serial monitor and set the baud rate to 115200. Now open the Blynk IoT app on your smartphone if you have one. Otherwise, download it. Go to the Google Play Store or Apple App Store, search Blynk IoT and install the app. Log in using the same email and password you are using in your Blynk console on the laptop. Open the app and go to the device tab. You will see the same device you created on your laptop. Tap on your home security device. You will see no controls, but don't worry, we are only using event notification in this project. Make sure push notifications are enabled for the app in your phone settings. Now let's see how the system works. When armed, the PIR sensor detects motion. If someone moves in front of it, the system waits 1 second for a stable signal and then it activates the buzzer alarm and send a movement detected notification to your phone. And you stay updated even if you're away from the home. If the system is disarmed, the sensor will ignore motion and buzzer stays off. If you like this project, don't forget to like, share or subscribe for more such exciting projects with Roboarmy.